Alden
Custom.
sa ating mga friends.
Yan, hello po. Thank you so much for coming today. And so many familiar faces din from yesterday's screening. But we're happy to see you guys today. And sana nagustuhan niyo yung pelikula. And gusto mga manonood ulit. Nood lang tayo ng nood. Thank you so much for the support, guys.
Good morning! We're so happy to be here. Thank you so much, Paul, for joining us. We'll do some screenings later, so I'll see you in a bit. Thank you so much.
Ayun na nga, at syempre, tayong lahat ay didiretso na sa ating first screening ng Hello, Love Again. At nakikita ulit natin ang ating paboritong si Alden Richards and of course, Miss Catherine Bernal.
Isang photo lang daw siya.